for my fat niggas can't be serious, man. Where the hood, where the hood, where the hood at? Had a nigga in the cut where the wood at.
What's up, guys? Toxicat here, and we're gonna be playing Geometry Dash. Here we go again, you guys. Alright, just here we go again. Boop. Alright. Up. This is Dark Cat's territory. Damn it with these damn ads, dude. God damn it. Fuck. Doop. Okay, I'm still good. Yep. Fuck!
Show profanity.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Go, jump. Jump. Fuck! Jump. Okay, I got this. Fuck, I missed it! Alright. Jump. Okay. God damn it. Fucking hell! Jump.
Я надеюсь, что тот, кто сделал эту игру, умирает медленно.
Alright, still good. Damn it! Fuck this. We did number 1, so let's do 3. Can't be that hard. Number 3 cannot be that hard. Alright.
Hours 24/7 is sad, nigga. I'm sad, nigga.
God damn it. Son of a bitch.
Fuck. Come on. Really? My God. Okay, come on. Damn it. Fuck. Yes. God damn it. Fuck. Okay, I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, and peace. Toxic Paracat out. And ignore the Wi-Fi thingy that says right down below. Ignore it. Just ignore it. That's like my Wi-Fi password, alright? Like, comment, subscribe, you guys. Toxic Paracat out. Peace.